Yeah, medyo unfortunate yung nangyari. I think the referees just lost control of the game that time. They were allowing too much contact. But when it happened, I knew parang imposible manalo. No? 6 minutes pa yata left to go. And then there's really no way or matchup you can do against Bol Bol. You just, when he takes a shot, nagdadasal ka lang na mag-bintis sana eh. Kasi hindi mo naman masusupalpan, wala kang magagawa. So, incredible toughness that the team showed. And our prayers just worked. Kasi mahirap talaga eh. Nung first time I saw him on the court, I was thinking, how do you play against this guy? Parang dapat nasa Meralco siya, pwede siyang gawing poste ng Meralco. ang ganda pa nung unang start na, he wasn't missing any shots. So, you see him that tall, not missing any shots, and you think there's nothing you can do. But we just practice patience. We just played with a lot of toughness. Ayun lang naman magagawa mo. And I guess I have a really good bunch of guys who have high character, who can play with a lot of effort. We sustained our pace for 48 minutes. I think that's the only way you can beat TNT with Bol Bol is you have to play with pace for 48 minutes. That's what I told them. Sabi ko, kung may makakalimutan tayo sa game plan, pang isang bagay lang natin huwag kakalimutan. We have to play with pace for 48 minutes.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Congratulations. The way na even Bol Bol and TNT, do you think even the other teams parang hope na yun nga, may ways to beat Bol Bol?
Siguro nabigyan ng pag-asa yung ibang teams kasi nakita nila it's not an impossible job. But it's still a very difficult job. We were lucky, sabi ko nga, na nakalaban namin sila on their first game. Bol Bol will be better in his second game and his third game. So, swerte lang din talaga kami.
Adrian, yung basket mo against Bol Bol, prior to that, talagang hindi na tayo mong makalusot sa kanya, pero nahuhuli ka niya. Pero ano mong adjustment ginawa mo doon? It seems that parang stretch pa yung layup na.
Nakita ko si Adrian, sabi niya, doon kumano, sabi naliliitan siya kayo.
Well, yun na, sinusubukan ko talagang chine-challenge ko siya talagang sobrang laki. Ilang beses ako nabutan na. Tsaka yun yung last talaga, tinaasan ko na lang yung tira ko. Pumasok.
Coach, you're trailing by 18 points. Ano lang yung... Tapos you were hitting your outside shots din kasi eventually. So, ang gano'ng kalaking bagay yun.
Yun nga, the real way to beat them is you have to hit your 3-point shots. Because Bol Bol's gonna take away the paint from you. You have to hit your 3-point shots. That's why every open 3-point shot we got, sabi ko, every open 3-point shot na makita nyo, you have to take them. That's the way to beat them. And then we have to play with pace. We can only get to the paint in transition. Pagka naging half-court game na yan, nandun na si Bol Bol sa gitna. So that's the only way to beat them.
Coach, yung effort naman ni Johnson before the ejection, ano lang yung masahe mo parang...
Incredible effort by Jalen. No? It's just too bad nangyari yung incident. But sobrang bait ng taong yun. Kaya lang yun napikon dahil pinikon talaga siya. So kung gusto kong pikunin yung import ng ibang team, gagawin ko lang. Isang basurang player, papasutok ko lang. dahil na. So, ganun lang nangyari. No? So, well, we accepted that when it happened. Sabi ko, tanggapin na natin. Hindi natin maisisave si Jalen. So we just have to play with that.
Coach, Luis Villegas, maganda din ang pinakita kanina. Ano lang yung masasabi mo dun sa meron siyang crucial na fade away shot kanina.
Paganda yung laro ni Luis, no? That's the reason also we're increasing his minutes. And he's justifying those minutes, he's earning those minutes. Actually, napapagalan pa ako sa kanya, pwede pa siyang mas mabilis. Pagka nakuha niya talaga yung fitness niya or yung at least psychological na lang sa kanya, maybe he still may konting pag-iingat pa siya dun sa tuhod niya, pero psychological na lang yun. When he passes that stage, he'll be a lot better.
Coach, thank you.
Salamat.
Okay.